Start by finding yourself in a comfortable position. Slowly allow the eyes to close, becoming soft and heavy. Take a nice deep inhale in and sigh and exhale out through the mouth, releasing anything you might be holding on to. Knowing there's nothing to hold on to, nowhere to go except right here, right now. Allow yourself to focus on your breath. Feeling as you inhale in from the roots all the way up to the throat. Allow breath to find a moment there, feeling any sensations, and exhale, release out through the mouth. Does the throat feel open and light? Or is there a weight to it, almost as if something is stuck? We're going to take some deep breaths to bring us deep into that throat space, that cave. With these next couple breaths, imagine yourself slipping a harness on, keeping you rooted to the earth's surface. You walk over to the edge of a dark hole, your feet still on the earth's surface, as you allow your body to recline over the hole. You take a deep inhale in and exhale. You slowly take your first step into the darkness. With every breath, you descend deeper and deeper into a cave. With every breath, you release a little more tension, descending into the unknown, not knowing how far you will go. You go to take another step, and you're there, the bottom of the cave. As you look up, there's a pinhole of white light from the sun. The inside of the cavern is cool and damp. You reach into your bag and pull your candle out and your matches. As you strike the match and light the candle, you listen as it pops and sizzles. Your beautiful blue candle, with its bright light, begins to illuminate the cavern. You realize the space isn't that big. It's a long, deep tube. You go towards the walls. As you inhale, the walls expand, and as you exhale, they come back to stillness. You are inside your vocal tubes. You're sitting in the seat of your throat chakra. Take a moment to explore the walls of your cavern. Is there anything written on the walls you would like to remove? Let's take a moment right here, right now, to remove anything that no longer serves your throat. Let's remove any suppressed feelings, any fear of offending others, any shyness, anything that keeps you from speaking your highest truth. Right here, right now. Good, bad, right, wrong, pod, pog, to all nines, to Mother Earth and beyond. Take a nice deep inhale in and exhale a hum, allowing the vibration to echo throughout your cave. Let's take 2 more humming breaths, bringing you back to the light. And so it is. Your voice is strong. Your voice is clear. Go ahead and take a nice deep inhale in through the nose. Feel it in the throat and exhale through the mouth. Feel the lightness of your throat, your breath, and your voice, allowing everything to flow like the air around you. And so it is.